my sugar cups. I've been really tired of that oily and patchy skin. Whenever you step off the house, do you actually carry wet wipes or even tissues? Have you ever noticed that whenever you apply foundation or any kind of makeup, it just tends to drip off your skin? Does this actually happen with you? Well, the problem here is oily skin, which women in several parts of the world keep facing all the time. But don't you worry, as I have come right here to help you solve those oily skin problems with the most natural ingredients. So, let's get started. Put a tablespoon of oatmeal and pour a little bit of boiling water or milk. It should cover the oatmeal. Leave it for around 10 minutes to cool. In the meantime, the oatmeal should grow soft and become sticky pulp. You can use this pack twice a week to gently cleanse and exfoliate your skin, keeping it oil-free. I guarantee you a visible difference instantly. So guys, I hope you like this simple handy tip, and I hope that you guys do get that oil-free skin instantly. So do keep watching and do keep writing into me because I love to hear from you guys.
If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being